how to create a stencil in Photoshop using custom shapes. So let's just go over here and you've got the custom shape tool. Well, with this custom shape, you can go up here, top left, and you can select path. Then you can select a shape, and I'm just going to go with this shape. But with that shape, I can just add it. And I can add it, of course, in multiple ways. I can combine them. But what you can also do with this path is you can go up here, and there's an option here for selection. So just click there, and you can give it obviously 0 or 20 or 30 or whatever. And you've got options here, new selection, of course. So you can create multiple additional designs with that. But click OK. I can invert that. So if I invert it, I can go over here to select and inverse. Now I can use the brush stroke. So I'm just going to quickly go over here and select brush tool. You could of course use pencil and other tools as well. Brush tool, and I'm just going to apply a spray. And the spray, which I'm just going to use with black, can be applied now. And as I do that, you can see what happens. The effect or brush stroke is only applied outside of the shape. So you've got that. So that's a stencil effect. What you can also, of course, is you can go over here and you can select the rectangular marquee tool or these selection tools, and you can shift it. But you'll notice because you've got this inverted, it's not so effective. So what you need to do is go to select and inverse. So you've got that original shape again, and now you can shift it. So you can just move it over there. You can also transform it. So you might not want it to be that size. So you've got obviously the original sized shape. You can always go to select and transform selection. So you can reduce it down a bit or increase the size if you wish as well. And press return. Exactly the same as before. Go to select and inverse. And this time I'm going to change the colour. So I'm going to go with red. Now I could change the brush, of course, as well. And I'm just going to apply it again with the paintbrush tool. And you can see now you've got it applied there. Now, unfortunately, of course, you will go into the stencil, the other one. So that's a reason for creating a selection, a more complex selection. But I'm just applying it there. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always appreciated with any comments. Also, a like or dislike. Always great to hear from you. And please subscribe to the channel. Got lots of videos for many things. Photoshop, Affinity Photo, Clip Studio Paint, and many others. Thank you much.